Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So finally Motorola launched their Moto G8 with a 720p display and the new triple rear camera, plus with a larger battery. The Moto G8 family just gained another member, and it's called the Moto G8, that arrived fashionable late to the gathering following its launch, the Play Plus and the Power. We finally get the vanilla model, the G8. Last year, the G7 stuck at a fine balance between cost and capabilities, but the 2020 successor alters at the formula significantly. The Moto G8 has a 6.4-inch display with a 720p plus resolution, marks a notable drop in pixel density. The G7 had a 6.2 at 1080p plus display. The selfie camera of the Moto G8 still has a 8 megapixel sensor, the 1.12 pixel, but it's now inside the punch hole instead of a teardrop notch. The triple camera on the back is upgraded. It's featured a new 16 megapixel main unit with 1.12 pixel behind the f1.7 lens, as well the 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, its 119-degree view, and the 2 megapixel macro camera. The fourth model is the laser autofocus system. The main camera can record 4K video at 30 frames per second, same as before. For comparison, the G7 had a 12 megapixel main camera and the 5 megapixel deep sensor. The G8 Plus has a 48 megapixel main and the 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, plus a 1080p plus screen. The Motorola Moto G8 feature a better chipset too, a Snapdragon 665, also seen in the G8 Plus. The Snapdragon, the Adreno 600 class GPU is nearly twice as fast as the 500 class GPU on the old model. The CPU is slightly faster too. The memory configuration is the same as last year, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, while the 512 gigabytes users available. This is a dual SIM phone, but you can put a micro SD instead of a second SIM. The new model support a larger battery, 4000 mAh, matching the G8 Plus and the G8 Play. The old G7 had a 3000 mAh battery, so 1000 mAh up in the G8 model. However, charging speed has taken a hit and the G8 only support a 10-volt charger. Charging is done over the USB-C port. In the bottom, there is also 3.5mm headphone jack. On the top, Bluetooth 5.0 is available if you want and listen to music wirelessly as usual. The Motorola logo on the back of the phone double as the fingerprint reader. The Moto G8 is currently available in Brazil for the Brazilian real 1,300. In the UK, the phone available in €180 on the Amazon. According to Motorola, the G8 will be expanded of the rest of the Latin America, Europe, Asia, and the Australia as well. So this is the another mid-range device come from the Motorola, and this is the called Motorola Moto G8. Let me know your thought in the comment section about this Motorola phone, because Motorola has struggling for launching the better smartphone. Let me know your thought in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. Enable the bell icon for latest video notification. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.